In this video, I ran out of content, so I'm going to make a test bench out of this PC case.
Oh shit!
No one's done this in a hot minute, and why would I even spend $25 on a test bench anyways?
I assume the disc just goes like that, yeah.
Ooh, don't tickle my balls!
So now, how's this gonna work?
Oh, it's hitting your balls. It's hitting your balls. Oh, I'm not fucking around with that. Oh, it's gonna fly off. Oh my god! This is very dangerous.
I think this guy, oh.